The first thing we do when we need something is search on the internet, and we get the best result on our searches. The topmost results are considered to be the best and the most relevant one. But how does this happen? Well, the answer is through search engine optimization or SEO. According to a report by BrightEdge, 68% of online experience begin with the search engine. And to make this work at its best, SEO comes into the play. But what exactly is SEO or search engine optimization? Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Chandra, and today we'll know a little more about SEO and how it works. SEO basically stands for a practice designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. Because organic search is the most prominent way for people to discover and access online content, a good SEO strategy is essential for improving the quality and the quantity of the traffic on your website. So how does SEO work? Search engines such as Google, Bing use bots to crawl pages on the web and going from the site to site collecting information about those pages and putting them in an index. Think of an index as a huge library where a librarian can pull up a book or a web page to help you find exactly what you are looking for all the time. The crawler starts from known web page and follows internal links to pages within that site as well as external links to pages on the other site. The content on those pages plus the context on the links is followed help the crawler understand what each page is about and how semantically connected to all other pages within the search engine massive database called an index. When a user types or speaks a query into the search box, the search engine uses a complex algorithm to pull out what it believes to be the most accurate and useful of the result for that query. These organic results can be included in web pages full of text, news articles, images, videos, local business listings, and other more niche types of content. There are a lot of factors that go into the search engine algorithms, and those factors are evolving all the time to keep up with the changing user behavior and advanced machine learning. These factors are mostly by subcategorized as on-page and off-page SEO. Don't worry, we have a separate videos on both the topics. Until then, SEO is most of the most prominent tactics when it comes to digital marketing. If you wish to know more about different SEO tactics, click on the link in the description. For more informative videos and engaging videos around digital marketing, do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.